a stroll up the old long walk. Day, hey. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk. It was a fine soft day, and I ask you, friend, what's a fella to do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? And I knew right then I would take it away down the Salt Hill Bronx with a Galway girl. All right. We were halfway there when the rain came down on a day, and she asked me up to a flat downtown on a fine south day, and I asked you, friend, tell me what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? So I took her hand and I gave her a twirl, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. Sad verse, everybody. It's sadder than that. Now when I came home, I was all alone, with a broken heart and a ticket home.